We have brought a special product for your home. Product name, AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter, reduces dry itchy skin, dandruff, and eczema, and dramatically improves the condition of your skin, hair. About this item. 1. Day 1, immediately begins rejuvenating skin, hair and nails, hard, chlorinated, chemical-ridden water causing itchy skin, flaky dandruff, eczema, bone-dry hair, and brittle nails? Let our unique, proprietary system's multi-stage sediment filters, redox media, calcium sulfite, activated carbon, and ceramic beads deliver maximum water filtration to neutralize odors, balance out your pH levels and infuse beneficial minerals into your skin, nails, and hair from the first time you turn it on. 2. Actually works. Experience the cleanest clean. Most filters for showers eliminate some chemicals for a short time, but do nothing to restore the damage done to your hair, nails, and skin. Our advanced multi-stage health filter reduces chlorine, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, dirt, and odors, help control scale buildup, plus restores what your hard, chemical-filled water did to your hair, skin, and nails. 3. Just 0.09 cents/day. What is your health worth? What about looking your best? If you're a savvy shopper, you've done your research, so you know that most shower filter cartridge options for well or city water only last a few months, then cost a pretty penny to replace. AquaBliss Easy Swap shower head filter replacements last longer and cost less, for cleaner, clearer, and beautifying shower time for less than 0.09 cents per day. 4. IT fits, easiest no tool install. If you can snap together Legos, you can easily remove your old shower filter or chlorine filter and replace it with this in minutes. Because we believe life should be easy, we engineered the fitting so it works with all shower types, including fixed, rain, and handheld. No tools are required. 5. Advanced Revitalizing SF100 versus Heavy Duty SF220. Customers love both of our AquaBliss shower head filters. Here's how to know which one to choose. If you're simply looking for a heavy-duty shower filter to target and reduce chemicals, sediment, and chlorine, buy our SF220. If you'd love the bonus benefit of our ceramic beads, to restore healthy, itch-free skin, shiny hair, and strong nails, then you'll want to add this advanced revitalizing filter to your cart now. Thank you.